Pullman Tech Workshop is a job development training program where we work with young people and show them the trades. You know, pathways to preservation is really important for us. Woodworking, building with your hands, creating. It doesn't matter what you're building as long as you're building something. It's about instilling pride of craftsmanship in whatever it is we do.
Pullman Tech Workshop is pretty much like a family type of thing.
I love it here. This is my family. This is my second home.
This is like home to me.
So it's really like the hospitality and always having a place where you can come back to.
But at Pullman Tech Workshop, our main goal is jobs, right? Job security, jobs that will sustain a family, and jobs that someone could be, you know, proud of, right?
It's just been a great experience to be able to work with my hands and open up a bunch of job paths that I could find in the future.
We have many different paths to success. Some students realize that they want to go back to school, that they want to go to college, which is great, and then we'll send them to our friends at the city Chicago colleges. Some people realize that, hey, I want to be in the trades. Well, then we'll send you to Hire 360, where they can actually help develop and hone your skill a little bit further in the exact trade that you want to go into. And then there's other places like forklift driving, you know, like good paying jobs that will sustain a family. It takes a lot to run an organization like this and to also pay for an organization like this. So having supporters that really stepped up with dollars was a huge impact, and it's an impact that's going to last for a while.